I've changed my mind. I started to invest it in some crypto and some crypto stock. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our mission is to share our financial knowledge so hopefully you can learn and one day can profit from it. If any of the topic is your interest, make sure you subscribe to our channel because every week we broadcast Forex, stock and crypto market update. Make sure you subscribe in case you don't want to miss out. All right, let's get right into Bitcoin, shall we? Right, I was bearish and until the point that it broke the resistance area. On Monday, we had a false alarm that the ETH cash market was launched, but it's not. And then we saw the drop, but then Thursday it broke higher, Friday continued higher, so I started to buy some. I didn't buy any Bitcoin because I think the risk to reward is better on Ethereum, Ripple and Litecoin, which I will explain to you why. However, I'm still using my main guide, Bitcoin as my main guide. Okay, you can see the top channel. This is the area that I will potentially take profit, but it may take a year or two, but it doesn't matter because it's investing. So around the 110, 120k area is my target for all my cryptocurrency. Okay, so you can see a couple of things why I changed my mind, because obviously let's go back to the area weekly. We range and find support around this 25 area, and now we made a higher low on weekly time frame, which is significant. Weekly is a big time frame, and then now we broke higher. Okay, I like to see price stay above. If it doesn't, I won't buy anything. I will probably buy some around this 20k area, which still could happen, but looking unlikely. Look at the volume on the indicator, the advanced decline line, you know, it's breaking higher. So more volume coming in, and if you look at the overall, it is just kind of the phase 2 on the accumulation distribution. So volume is still on the upside, all right? Could that be because of the war in the Middle East? I don't know. I'm not really fundamental on this kind of thing. It could be. I know that quite a few Middle East people invest in Bitcoin as well. But nevertheless, I like to see price is looking very similar, like this area here. So it can continue to break out, and you know, it may come back and test this area, break higher and then come back and test this area. So I'm not very eager to buy more at the moment, but I like to see price continue to break higher. Okay, so Ethereum is the one that I bought. So around this area I have bought around 1,600. Okay, so this is potentially, if it doesn't hold, I will not buy. I will buy some more around the 1,400. And then I need to see if I want to add some more in. I like to see price continue break higher and then stay above around the 1,750 area. Then I'll add in a little bit more. Okay. Ultimately, if I see price continue to break higher and higher, then I'll add in my final position above 2,200. So I need to see this resistance area break. Let me draw it and then let it run. And my ultimate target would be that area there. So around the $11,000 mark would be my ultimate target. Okay, so 10, 11,000. You're looking at around 500% gain on Ethereum alone. Okay, so I'm happy to buy at this area because long term I'm still bullish. So even though I'm buying it in this area, could potentially drop down to my original target around 1,300, 1,400 area. But hey, 1,600, 1,400 is not so much of a difference anyway. Okay, only fool will try to catch it at the bottom and try to sell it at the highest anyway. So that's not me, not trying to play a fool's game. Litecoin is another one that I bought, alright, so I like this area here around the $62 or $61, that's what I bought. I might buy some more at 50 if it does drop, but I might add a little bit more when it breaks in this little area and stay above 70, and then I'll buy the remaining above 100 or lower, so I'll always leave some anyway. Ultimate target, well, you gotta aim for, you know, the previous high around this area. So let me just reduce the size of that, the dot. Around the 380, 400 area will be my profit target on that. I like Ripple as well and Cardano, so similar things, so go through Ripple a little bit. Ripple, yes, I bought some in this area. You can arguable that we are finding some support, like a little trend line support, but you know, Ripple do spike like that. Yeah, we do have this, so I might buy some more above this, but I won't buy the remaining until it go back to $1. So again, previous high would be around $3, so that's the area that I like to aim for at the minute. One more thing, so I mean, couple of stocks that I have bought. You can see Coinbase, IoT, some of the miners and stuff like that I have bought. You know, reason being, especially Coinbase is trying to make a base in this area, right? So with it, looks like a weekly higher low to me. You know, it's holding quite well, fairly well. It's not really dropping too much on the accumulation distribution line. You know, daily you can see a bit clearer. It's trying to make a base around this area, so around the $72. I'm not saying that it won't, you know, potentially drop. It could. If it all crypto collapse again, I will buy some at around 47 area. But if it breaks above like 87, come back and stay above 83, I'll buy some more and then leave some in case, and then buy above 120. And ultimately I want to aim for the previous high around the, probably around the 400 area. So, you know, really good reward to risk on even the crypto stock. You're looking around 400% gain. How do you actually achieve this kind of return? Be patient, trust your plan, and let the magic begin. Will it ever work? I do not know, but this is how I would invest in cryptocurrency. Do you have any question? Do you agree with my plan? Drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.